Hi friends, this is Manoj. Welcome to our YouTube channel Aptitude Tricks. So today our topic is boats and streams part 2. So if you haven't watched part 1 video, please do watch part 1 video. I will post that link in description. So in this we will see some more questions. So in this first question it is given as speed of boat at downstream is A km per hour and upstream is B km per hour. And they are asking us to find speed of the boat in still water and rate of stream. And in the second point, they are asking us to find if boat downstream is 10 km per hour and upstream is 5 km per hour, then find the speed of the boat in still water and rate of current. First, we will find this. So they have given the speed of boat in downstream is A km per hour. So we know the speed of the boat in downstream is U plus V, that is A, and speed of the boat in upstream is B km per hour, that is U minus V is equal to B. So adding equation 1 and equation 2. 2u is equal to a plus b. So u is equal to half into a plus b. And substitute this u in the equation 1. So we know that u plus b is equal to a. U is half into a plus b plus b is equal to a. So v is equal to a minus a by 2 minus b by 2. So v is equal to half of a minus b. So if we have given downstream as A km per hour and upstream as B km per hour. So to know the speed of the boat in still water and rate of stream, we can directly use this formula. So U is half A plus B, means the speed of the boat in still water is A plus B by 2 and speed of the rate of the stream is A minus B by 2. So in the second point, they are asking us to find if boat downstream is 10 km per hour, means A is equal to 10 and boat upstream is B km per hour. So B is equal to 5. So they are asking us to find speed of the boat in still water, that is U is equal to half into A plus B, that is equal to 15 by 2, that is 7.5. And V is equal to, and they are also asking us to find rate of current, means V. V means half of A minus B, that is equal to half 10 minus 5, 5 by 2, that is 2.5. So we can use this formula, or we can do like U plus V is equal to 10 and U minus V is equal to 5 and solve it like in our previous video. So do whatever is comfortable for you. Okay. So in the second question it is given as a man can row 12 km per hour in still water and it takes him 5 times as long as to row down the river. Find the rate of the stream they are asking. So let the speed of the man at upstream be x kmph and then the speed of the man in downstream will be, they are telling that it takes him 5 times, so it will be 5x km per hour. So let it be speed of the man of downstream is A and speed of the man of upstream be B. So they have given a man can row 12 km per hour in still water. So if they have given downstream and upstream, the speed of the man in still water, we have the formula that is equal to half A plus B, that is given as 12 km per hour. So half A means 5x plus x. 5x plus x is equal to 12. So 6x by 2 is equal to 12. 2 3s. So x is equal to 12 by 3, 4 kmph. So now the speed of the man at upstream will be x km per hour, that is 4, and downstream is 5x, 5 into 4, 20 kmph. Now they are asking rate of stream. So if a downstream and upstream has given, the rate of stream, speed at rate of stream will be stream is equal to half of A minus B. Half of A is 20 minus 4, that is equal to 16 by 2, that is 8 kmph. So the rate of stream is 8 km per hour. Okay. So in this third question it is given as a man can row 12 km per hour in still water and if river is running at 6 kmph, it takes him 20 minutes to row to a place and come back. So how far is that place? So the time taken by the man to come from upstream plus downstream is given as 20 minutes. So all are in kilometers. So convert this into hours. that is equal to 20 by 60 hours. So time taken, we know the formula for speed is equal to distance by time. So time is equal to distance by speed. So distance by speed at upstream plus distance by speed at downstream. So total distance, let it be x, we don't know. So speed of upstream is u minus v plus speed of downstream is u plus v is equal to 20 by 60, 1 by 3. So u, thus he can draw 12 kmph in still water. So u is 12 minus v is given as 6 kmph plus x by 12 plus 6 is equal to 1 by 3. So x by 18 plus, okay, x by 6 plus x by 18 is equal to 1 by 3. Take 18 as LCM, 6, 3, so 3x plus x is equal to 1 by 3, 3 ones and 3 6, 4x is equal to 6. So 4x is equal to 6, x is equal to 6 by 4, 2 3s and 2 2s, so x is equal to 1.5 kilometers. So the total distance, they are asking us to how far is that place, so they are asking the distance, that is 1.5 kilometers. Okay. So in this fourth question it is given as a man can row 40 kilometers upstream and 55 kilometers downstream in 780 minutes. Also he can row 30 kilometers upstream and 44 kilometers downstream in 10 hours. Find the speed of the man in still water and find the speed of the current. So let the speed of the man at downstream is a kmph and speed of the man at upstream be b kmph. So they are telling the total in first equation upstream plus downstream is 780 minutes. T up 1 plus T downstream is equal to 780 minutes. So we know that time is distance by speed. Distance by speed at upstream plus distance by speed at downstream is equal to 780 minutes. So in upstream he covers 40 kilometers. 40 by and speed at upstream is b plus in downstream he covers 55 kilometers. So 55 by a is equal to 780. Let it be equation 1. And they are also telling he can row 30 kilometers upstream and 44 kilometers downstream in 10 hours. So T upstream UP2 plus T downstream is equal to 10 hours. So upstream he covers distance 30 by speed at upstream is b plus and downstream 44 by a is equal to 10 hours. This is 780 minutes. Let it be equation 2. So in equation 1 convert this minutes into hours. So divide it by 60. So 40 by b plus 55 by a is equal to 780 by 60. 6 13s. So this will be equation 3. So multiply equation 2 with 4 and equation 3 with 3. So after multiplying equation 2 multiply with 4 and equation 3 multiply with 3. So equation 2 into 4, 120 by b plus 44 fours, 176 by a is equal to 10 fours, 40. Equation 3 into 3, 3 fours, 120 by b plus 55 threes, 165 by a is equal to 3 13s, 39. So subtract it, not adding. Subtract plus become minus 176 minus 165. So 11 by a is equal to 40 minus 31 1. So a is equal to 11 kmph and the speed of the downstream. So to know the speed of the downstream, substitute a in equation 1. Substitute a in equation 1. In equation 1 is 40 by b plus 55 by a. 55 by a means 11 is equal to 780 minutes. 780 minutes means 13 hours. 11 5. So 40 by b is equal to 13 minus 5. 8. 8 5. So b is equal to 5 kmph. So the speed at downstream is 11 kmph and speed of upstream is 5 kmph. So they are asking speed of the man in still water. That is u is equal to half of a plus b. that is equal to of A means we got it as 11 plus 5, that is 16, 2 8 times. So that is equal to 8 kmph. And V is equal to half of A minus B, that is equal to of A is 11, 11 minus 5, that is 6, that is 3 kmph. So V is equal to 3 kmph, sorry, 3 kmph, and U is equal to 8 kmph. So speed at still water is 8 kmph and rate of steam is 3 kmph. Okay. So I will discuss more problems related to boats and streams in upcoming videos, and if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.